Okay, I've got all the stuff. Num nums. These. Okay, now we're gonna open, and we have a nice visitor. But look what Kitty did. And she's captured our Shopkins. And she said when we open our Kinder Joy, she is going to... Dun, dun, dun. Did you see my face? Hopefully you did. Hello. Nice and back. Hopefully you did see my face. Now, I've been eating some yummy foodie. If you didn't know, I've been eating. Now let's turn this candle on. Okay, we have a nice visitor, and her name is... Sorry. Let me introduce you. Okay. Her name is Sniffling. Hi. And she will grab something. She grabs something. What is that? So, okay, it's, I don't know what it is. I think it's Zumbling. I don't know. It is, we officially know, hello, it is it is a zombie. Okay. What are we doing? It's yummy now. Ew, we got like a drink. He's cool. Okay. I will check who he is in a minute. Okay. It's about like 2 minutes long. I will pick one now. And this, I think this is it's like punch. It's a punch. Oh. Now, look what we have. We have this little snake. Wait, didn't I show you that? Yeah, I showed you that. Oh no, my iPad's getting out of battery. Now, wait there. Wait. Goodbye.